Okay, let's see the digital sign in sign out workings within JuniorLogs. So to start with, there is an app that you can download that's available for free, and you can install it on your tablet or your iPad. It will be protected by your center admin pin. So you will have to enter using your username and password, and then you can get into your kiosk mode. Now, once this is on, all the parents and the staff members will have their 4-digit pin. So they will simply sign in using their 4-digit pin, and they will be able to see their child. They can sign in and out their child. But as an admin, as a center admin, you have an access to the dashboard. So you can see all the children in one go. So whether marking a child as an absent, you can go here, you can tap on these 3 dots. You can mark them as absent, or if a child has been dropped off at the center early or on time, but the parent simply had forgotten to sign them in, you can also do that at the same time. So you can adjust the time here. Now, once you will go through the daily sign in sign out from here, then on your attendance marking page, the kiosk timing column will get automatically populated. So you'll see the kiosk timings coming up. It's just a matter of copying it over to your final sign in sign out time, or if there are any mistakes that need to be corrected, they can also be done at the same time. Once the kiosk sign in sign out timing comes in and they get populated, those are the timings that will get reflected on your invoicing as well. Now, because of the compliance, we will still need to have our weekly sign-in sheet printed out. So you will go under the weekly attendance report, and let me go to a date, the period where we do have some data. Okay, so this is where the kiosk timings will come up. You'll hit the print option here, and you'll print out the sign-in sheet. So most of the centers, they will print a sheet out for the previous week on the upcoming Monday. So you will see all the sign-in sign-out times. Let me zoom in a little bit and then get the parents to sign in. So this is how the digital sign-in sign-out work in JuniorLogs.